All right, so far so good. And then so Yankopon ayadom ama ya yemfa aseda emma trade yampon we can say ne blue snaps me the update for the Bremo. I'm still touring around Ghana now and then I'm a PMO ewo AGYA HERBAL HERBAL and I'm a PMO down a couple then just meet the my PMO was with the update Bremo. Now a lot of people were just complaining about the terminal the tunnel, no, sorry. The tunnel now, Arabes, and now, secondly, no, now I'm with a crash barrier, and so and it's a crash barrier, no, almost now, now, so far, I'm here, no, so, and then the response, so far, no, into Yaba, so let's see. And this is how, the AGYA HERBAL, really looks like. Yeah, cool. Yeah, but now make sure the Ghana for every dress and say on my economy try road markets very primary. But what I don't still understand and say when the vehicles are just on the highway, no major. When vehicles are on the highway, no major. When vehicles on the highway, no major. And no, and I bring now main because. Say me shesenia o mangana atuaye na yaye kwan na adwen I feel adwen e bi any Ghana for bitima e na I don't know how me put no yaye kwan amaye yaye bus stop yaye town amaye things now still no people want to use the highway na car go everybody na nya wo dia no aka sorry na ke wo na ye bo wa o twem no na ka wa wo ye hu say bo and who say answer man. I think say you all lessons. The drivers are still, on the road trying to stop on the highway. Abra cars in Kutano. I want the cars in Kutano fuck crime way so. Like is enough for highway so no more. They are okay to stop one Ebiani on say Ojani Akofaka. Ebiani on say old Johnny Akofaka on the highway. So I think there's a high time the Minister of Road and Highway should come on board to what? I can say once all Pico. It's a high time the road minister should what? Enforce laws. Say so now highway near Chihuahua. You should be fine. It's going to create a lot of accidents. I tell you, it will create a lot of accidents. Okay. Now, no, Osha Calvary, no, my area. Osha Hanya, Calvary, Osha, Calvary, my area. Cut down, now, you cut down, now, I share. If say on the streets, turn on lights now, because complaints are not for air man. Say across for a tower, I don't know. Ma, I want me and the soup a quite so we are going there to just see. So turn on my how far. Good evening. Yeah, sure. So I'm the lights number boy. Still now, yeah, far lights in by. I wish I for yeah, Baha. Some time ago, ever complaining, say, some of the lights in it, ever bubble. Now, a drone a draw, yeah, now, and conform to me, and to me, and fat a car whistle. The tunnel is becoming, a death trap. It's becoming so risky, and my mom will swallow. So, we are pleading to the government. Say, on your ring, on the fat, on the light and mobile because light and mobile remember the rate at which people come here to steal a bit less and I don't know how I'm betting my until let's say I'm on money I come for can say we are there yeah now a little bit better but a train rare From 9 going on Akron 4 ever. From 9 going on, yeah, night Akron 4. I shall see Baha. Yes, into no yesterday. Say, Penifua, Moshe, Nagana, Yenyama, Yano, Edimono, yesterday. Say, Montumere, Mombesra, Mamuhai. Now, Musomtumere. Out to me for Omada said, dear. And better abandon. Things I'm way why is going to say Oshahana. I'm way holders no. So I'm way holders no not in Kenya Eboboa. Now so I think say I'm to Tunia. I'm way holders. As Osha in Kenya I'm cat baby. I say in Kenya near Ebo. Say no my wedding. My baby allegation ma omo tutuni ni eko it's the best Ghana ban say omo modern na on fix light no e wa ha so yen ko top on yen ko hwe the other side of the road no because yen just say a honso maye has barriers na we penny ato so e da kopoko ase fence barrier ho yi to sha on say me mpia how ntino ma fata no nimo e am da be pia me car ma pack si no ho ahoro so na ma fata no nim but on say also be from so this is the mentality of Ghanaians not that from this is how Ghana yeah nyama emo bo say yeah Calvary na we no eno mo no we want say you ever stop on highway so for easy access to Obi can say you will call on the main stretch no then no more no akopwa Obi yene ebum eba kasa on say Calvary na ya o ma mi wo mi bia o twa mafa mama pe ni mo highway wo mi twa mafa yes o trim that's a mistake car be a filling break now the foul so abana ya de that's abana on ya de this is what we are preaching about, this is what we are talking about say omayamboa na enyama bia na asa the yank say image no ebe to me jai this is the bus stop bus stop it's a car bia no o kwa o be so si obi a bus stop no eno nie na we sniper no na kana to aso now so still now people are still what driving on the highway mujina the best say 24 highway 424 some more modern na muntuni embe hu mai mo modern pa na muntuni embe hu mai yesa adia esi no emwa kwa tino yes na come on 17 no I'm going back so that I'll go and pass at the same route now me fight on the tunnel now me film no me for the same place Calvary is not my area on my Calvary is navy I'll just in a mine so I'm very very solid and nice yeah the abaya so why answer now if you know so me might say I'm trying my best if you know drivers are modu bus stop no more if egu one day come and sweep here me am should have a fryer na ma be pra ha na me gina ha na ma hwe say obi ebe yi fiat rubber for the top ah na ho no me na djuma ye I'm very very quiet na mene be the bi e bon ko mo ahwe se na mo tira bo me na me tira yesa djuma ya me de ese me so nti me semo kakara me djuma ye no mo mbo me na me ye ebe de ya bo afo bi ase Mr. Kwame and Mr. Kofi. I'm supporting you. You should all try your best to always do the little that you can to also support us. Once I say post no bill. It's why we also post bill be our hand. You better trace you, they will arrest you. You trust a post no bill. Now it's gonna afford it. You need my dream. How you to near posting. Anyone that posts any bill here, me myself, I'll make sure say I will trace that person and let the police arrest. The question is say, are there no post bill over? So we are going to do that. We're going to do that here. We're going to do that. You know, once the marshal say post bill. Yeah, it must all right. You know. So please, more sorry now, dear no. I'm going to post the bill. Yeah. Number still goes from say a friendly trace someone. I think some so best for rest of them. Most of myself turn him back to where my car is. You know, this is the second time we are visiting this place. People are still suffering from this, you know, our robbery stuff. So we are pleading to the government, the AMA, the mayor, the DC, say, so that we will be free from such, you know, crimes. So we're going to the, you know, the barrier to see progress and also on my then the Atwaso Aquarium and Kumo Shagana for.